Students, now we are going to discuss about thiamine. It is your vitamin B1. It is also known as antineuritis factor or anti-beriberi factor since it is preventing beriberi. If you see the structure of thiamine, it has substituted pyrimidine in it and substituted thiazole in it, which are being connected by methylene bridge. Okay, students. Now, the active form of thiamine is thiamine pyrophosphate. Now, thymine gets converted into thymine pyrophosphate with the help of this enzyme, thymine kinase, where ATP is getting converted into AMP, giving pyrophosphate group to the thymine. If you see the metabolic role of the thymine, it is mainly helping in the oxidative decarboxylation, where the enzymes which is causing this oxidative decarboxylation are pyruvate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. You will see this thing in the link reaction, and you will see this thing in the Krebs cycle, and branched chain keto acid dehydrogenase in the metabolism of branched chain amino acids, and transketolase reaction of HMP pathway, and phosphorylation of chloride channels in the CNS. The daily requirement of thymine is 1 to 1.5 milligram per day. Usually, the thymine intake is based on how much calorie intake how much calories we are taking. It is usually 0.5 milligram per 1000 calories, and during pregnancy we need to provide an addition of 0.3 milligrams per day. If you see the dietary source, mainly it is present in the aileron layer of the rice, and it is also present in other cereals like wheat, rice, barley, oat, and it is also present in fresh fruits, green leafy vegetables, yeast, milk, meat, etc. If you see the deficiencies, it is often present in the people who are taking alcoholics, because alcohol will hamper the thymine absorption, and people who are consuming too much of polished rice. So the deficiency manifestations include beriberi and Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. In beriberi, it is of dry beriberi, wet, Shoshin beriberi, and infantile beriberi. In the dry beriberi, mainly your nervous system is involved. In wet beriberi, cardiovascular system is involved. Shohin beriberi is a acute fulminant beriberi, where if the patient is not treated with thiamine immediately, the patient will die. And infantile beriberi is present in the infants who are being fed by the mothers who are deficient with thiamine. If you see Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, it has two things. One is Wernicke's encephalopathy and Korsakoff syndrome. We will see all the diseases in a detailed way in another class. Now, how are you detecting the thiamine deficiency? One thing, you are directly measuring thiamine from in the blood, or you have thiamine load test. What will you do in thiamine load test? You will provide the patient with 0.35 milligram per meter square of body surface area of vitamin B1 intramuscularly. So in the next 4 hours, you will see the urinary excretion of thiamine. So if at all approximately 50 micrograms or 8% of dose which is given is excreted, there is no thiamine deficiency. In deficiency, what is happening is there is a significant decrease of this amount. And finally, we will see the RBC transketolase activity. How will we see RBC transketolase activity is, we will see the transketolase activity before and after giving thiamine pyrophosphate. If the activity of transketolase increases more than 25%, that means there is a deficiency of thiamine in it. So this is all about your vitamin B1 thiamine. Thank you, students.